To set up app timers on the Samsung S25, start by opening Settings. Now you will have to start scrolling for digital well-being and parental controls. And then just scroll down for app timers, and as you can see right here, you will actually be able to actually do this when you click in this place, and you can set app timer name. There we go. And here we have to tap selected items, so all of these apps. Let's do this, for example, for YouTube Music and Google application. Click done, and here you can add schedule if you want. So we can pick any day you want and any time, and then you can click save. And here that's how you can actually set up timers for your work. Of course, you can add here multiple different timers if you want. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.